a hard-learned lesson is not one you'll soon forget. So, pine and cottonwood, even if a little bit wet, don't seem to really mess up the table that much. However, evidently, oak has some acidic properties, where even if they feel dry and have been drying for a long time, they'll just absolutely roach your table. At least mine, anyway. Now, evidently, you can actually do this on command. It's called ebonizing of oak. It reacts, makes it black, which is kind of cool. But, you know what? This isn't too bad, because I was meaning to clean this off, because this came with a weird sticky finish from the machining process. And Thermatic Man gave me some Johnson paste wax. So this we can clean up, and I mean, it's not gonna be too bad. This isn't precision that I'm doing, it's just woodworking. Isn't that weird? And that was just from a few days. Has a very vinegary smell. I'm not sure of the chemistry of these tannins, as they're called, but that's some hard rust. I bet that these bubbles are whatever that thick, sticky grease is on here. And I wanted to get that off and put paste wax on here anyway, because it always has problems where when I put a piece of wood down, it just sticks. And it should glide, it shouldn't stick. Let's see, I got a piece of 150 grit. Alright, switching to 220. I'm just grabbing my off-cuttings of sandpaper and going with them. I choose some acetone. Seems like it would do a pretty good job. And it seems like it is doing a pretty good job. It's not too bad. Oh, that's so much better now. It certainly smells good though. I like it. Well, that's just like melting right into the surface. Basically, I'm just getting a big chunk and then pushing that chunk into the surface. It's been about 20 minutes and it doesn't feel so tacky anymore. I might be able to just get away with using my same little rag and just take off some of the thicker stuff. I probably could have gone on a little thicker, but you know what? Probably what I'm going to do is every time I use it, like I'll have a session of going through and cutting wood, and I can just put some more paste wax on. But oh my god, that's like night and day. I'm starting to think the Harbor Freight might be a bit of garbage. how the hell are you supposed to tighten these damn belts? Even though I didn't really get much done today and this thing was just fighting me all the way, I am done for the day with doing this, and it still is nice and soft, so that's good. I'll go ahead and add some more. I'm going to be honest, I kind of want a thick layer on this, so I don't know if I'll even wipe it off later. That's pretty much it. Seems like that Johnson Wax is done a very good job, and I'll be more careful about leaving iron on there. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you very much for watching. See ya.